To clean debris from under the pallets in the D-stacker, park the double walkie rider in front of the staged pallet at the back of the machine. Partially enter the staged pallet. Block the loading side of the machine with a cone to prevent the machine from being used. Turn the switch to hold, which illuminates the yellow light. Return to the walkie rider and dispense the bottom 2 pallets out the back. Remain parked in front of the machine to avoid it from being used. Walk to the sides of the machine. Lift and push both the left and right safety arms under the pallet stack until they fall into the locked position. Remove the debris by sweeping the floor under the pallet stack. Lift and pull the safety arms out and into the stowed position. Ensure that your feet are not near the pallet stack, then switch the machine to run. The yellow light will go off and the pallet stack will lower to the floor. The latches will reset into the 3rd pallet and the blue light will turn off. Confirm there are no lights on. Remove the cone, park to the side of the machine, and fill out the cleaning chart.